The first wall type is the line wall. To utilize the line wall, we're going to go into the architectural bin and we're going to choose the line wall icon. Here you're going to see that we are currently holding this by the bottom right corner, and this hold point is going to be adjusted in our item box. We're going to go into the item box currently. You're going to notice that the wall tab has already been depressed for us because we've chosen a wall. And here you can see that we're holding the bottom on the Z-axis and the right on the X-axis. Just like fitting in steel, we can control the hold points for this wall wherever we'd like. If we like to control on the bottom left, we can switch it to the bottom left corner. And here if you zoom in, you can see that the crosshairs are currently on the bottom left corner. The next thing we're going to do is simply choose the proper parameters. There's only 3 basic parameters with the line wall. You can see the height of the wall, which you're going to move all the way up to 150. You can see the depth of the wall or thickness of the wall, and then we have the length of the wall. One important thing to mention about the line wall is it is not as flexible as the custom wall. Length is not dictated by stretching it between 2 points, which means if we're going to use the line wall, we actually have to know the exact length of the wall beforehand. This is why we usually recommend to use the custom wall. The last thing we have are the location special instructions. These are very common for all items in the item box. We go over those in other tutorials. And of course we have our standard ability to put on any elevations we'd like. Once we've got all the parameters selected, all we need to do is click on the drawing once. When we've done that, you'll notice that PractiCAD is using the left bottom corner point right here, and that's going to be the pivot point. You can see that PractiCAD is asking in the bottom to specify rotation around Z-axis or plan view, and all we're going to do is hold it in the direction we need and then click once and the wall will be placed. That'll conclude the tutorial on the line wall.